At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Oregon involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Oregon naming requirements. Ensure the name is distinguishable from existing businesses in Oregon. You can check name availability through the Oregon Secretary of State website. 2. Registered agent. Appoint a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Oregon. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the Oregon Secretary of State. You can file online or by mail. Include information such as LLC name, address, registered agent details, and the names of LLC members/managers. 4. Operating agreement. Although not required by Oregon law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. 5. Obtain an EIN. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is necessary for tax purposes and is also required if you have employees. 6. Register for taxes. Depending on your business activities, you may need to register for state taxes with the Oregon Department of Revenue. This includes income tax, employment tax, and possibly other taxes based on your business activities. 7. Business licenses and permits. Check if your LLC requires any local business licenses or permits. Regulations vary depending on your location and the type of business you operate. 8. File annual reports. Oregon LLCs are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report updates information such as the LLC's address and registered agent. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Maintain compliance with state regulations by fulfilling ongoing requirements such as filing taxes, renewing licenses, and updating business information. 10. Consider professional assistance. While you can complete the process yourself, you may choose to seek assistance from a business attorney or a professional service company to ensure all legal requirements are met correctly. Remember to research and understand all legal and tax implications of forming an LLC in Oregon to ensure compliance with state laws and regulations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.